Dear students, in the previous class we have discussed about salts and its pH value and also the importance of a common salt. So in today's class, let's discuss the question answers regarding acid base salts part 3, that is about salts. So the first one, what is the common name of the compound CaOCl2? So which is this compound? Calcium oxychloride. So what is the common name of calcium oxychloride? It is bleaching powder. Next question. Name the substance which on treatment with chlorine yields bleaching powder. So which compound, for that when you pass chlorine gas it gives bleaching powder? That is calcium hydroxide. It is also called as a slaked lime. So what is the molecular formula of calcium hydroxide? It is CaOH twice. The next one, name the sodium compound which is used for softening hard water. So that is washing soda. What will happen if a solution of sodium hydrocarbonate is heated? Give the equation of the reaction involved. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is nothing but a baking soda. So when we heat baking soda, it gives a sodium carbonate and water, and also along with this product the gas evolves, that is carbon dioxide gas. When a solution of sodium hydrocarbonate is heated, sodium carbonate and water are formed along with the evolution of carbon dioxide gas. 30th question, write an equation to show the reaction between plaster of Paris and water. So what is a chemical formula of plaster of Paris? It is calcium sulfate hemihydrate, CaSO4 half H2O. So when we add water to this calcium sulfate hemihydrate, it reacts with water, it absorbs the water and it forms gypsum, that is calcium sulfate dihydrate. Okay, so this is the equation. The next one, plaster of Paris should be stored in moisture proof container. Explain why. Okay, so what happens if it is kept open? So it reacts with the water vapor, the water present in the atmosphere, and it changes into gypsum. Okay, let's see the answer. Plaster of Paris should be stored in a moisture proof container because plaster of Paris, a powdery mass, it absorbs water and forms hard solid known as a gypsum. So that is, when plaster of Paris is kept open, it reacts with water and it forms calcium sulfate 2H2O. So this product is called gypsum. The next one, a milkman adds a very small amount of baking soda to fresh milk. Why does he shift the pH of the fresh milk from 6 to slightly alkaline? See here the question is, a milkman he add baking soda to milk. So usually the baking soda is a basic salt. So why does he shift the pH of the fresh milk from 6 to slightly alkaline? Because in alkaline condition, milk does not set as a curd easily. So he can preserve it for longer time. Here what happens is, milk is usually acidic in nature. So when he add baking soda, that is base, this base neutralizes the excess acid, and also he can preserve the milk for a longer time. Here one more question is there. Why does this milk take long time to set as curd? Because this milk is already basic in nature. He added baking soda to milk, so it becomes basic in nature, and The acids produced to set the curd are neutralized by the base, therefore, it takes longer time for the curd to set. The last question, give two important uses of washing soda and baking soda. This we already discussed in the previous class. So, it is used in first one, uses of washing soda. It is used in glass, soap, and paper industries. The next one, it is used in the manufacture of sodium compounds such as borax. It is one of the sodium compound. Then the next one, uses of baking soda. It is used for making baking powder and it is used as an ingredient in a antacid. So this is about today's class.